Hey guys, welcome back to Slow Travel Chronicles and Happy New Year. It is currently January 2025 and we just arrived within the last 5 minutes to this condo in Chiang Mai, Thailand. We are staying at the Astra 1 condo. We are in building A. We're on the 7th floor and I wanted to give you a tour of our room. We're going to be here for about 2 weeks. So Garrett is standing in the door. As you walk in to Garrett's, hold on, I gotta turn, to the left, there is a powder room that can be reached by both the bedroom and the hallway, so a toilet and a sink. FYI, at least in this building, you can't flush toilet paper down the toilet. You have to put it in the trash. Then we step into the kitchen. It is a tight space. We have a fridge, a sink, a washing machine, which is a must-have, a 2-burner stove, and a microwave and a toaster. Now, it's very likely we will not be cooking here at all, except for maybe breakfast, because from what we understand, the street markets are supposed to be a lot cheaper than buying groceries. If that doesn't end up being true, we will cook, but we plan on eating out most of the time. Next, continuing back into this one main room, we have a dining table, a couch, and a TV. And from here, I cannot get closer to that window because it is high up and I don't like heights. Through this door though, we can go outside and there is a patio with a table and 2 chairs, and we'll show you that more from the bedroom, which is where we're heading next. So we are currently in the bedroom. We have a king-size bed, and check out these cute little elephant towels. We have another sofa in here. This actually converts to a bed. We won't be doing that. Garrett will walk over probably at the end of this video to show out the balcony. Might be tomorrow because it is a little bright in here. And then the funny thing is we have a shower and a tub in a separate room, but you can see into the bedroom or from the bedroom into the tub. So thank God there's a blind there because that would not be fun. There's also here, I'll come over. And now you've had a tour of our Chiang Mai Airbnb. We are in Chiang Mai. We are staying at Astra Condos. We are in building A. We are looking out across the rooftop pool. It's actually quite chilly up here today. It's probably about 60. I think the high today is expected to be 75, but that is our rooftop pool and views of our city. There is a gym right next door. There are people in there, so I won't bother them.
We found a local market in Chiang Mai, about a 5-minute walk from our Airbnb. It's Saturday afternoon, a little before lunchtime. There are about 3 or 4 stalls here, and this food is cheap. Stephanie and I ordered 2 plates. She got stir fry with kale and pork, and I got fried rice with chicken, and together it's less than 100 baht, which is about $3 US.
Not bad.
Not bad.
We are walking down through what I think is old Chiang Mai, and we stumbled across this little wall, actually Katam Quarter. It's very pretty along the river here, and we're gonna just keep on walking around.
But nobody would never heard
Tonight we came to the Blue Noodle. It was recommended by a friend. We haven't gotten our food yet, but there was a line to get in, and it is packed, and we'll show you our food in just a minute. So our food just arrived. I got a number 10, which is beef balls and beef with noodles in a broth. It looks pretty good. Garrett has essentially the same thing
with no broth.
except no broth. And he's going to try it now. If he can use the chopsticks, he's trying.
This is gonna take forever. Just stop.
I hope you like this week's video. Come back each and every Thursday to see where our adventures take us next. And as always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, do all of the things, including checking out our blog, slowtravelchronicles.com. We'll see you next Thursday. Have a great week.